Hello viewer, we welcome you our subscriber for new video. So please don't forget like, share, comments and subscribe for more video. Today we're gonna showing you about a free energy generator. And you have seen a lots of a video on YouTube. And this is the magnet generator which is working on a magnetic field. Now let's try to see how it's work. This is a rectangular magnet. The one is the north pole and the second one is the south pole. And this is a small magnet with the old shape of a magnet. Now let's try to how it's work. So whenever rotate the magnet or to start some motion of a magnet, so it will be start working. To keep watch our more video in our channel regarding this type of a free energy generator. Now